Yeah, that ain't going nowhere. It's straight enough. Oh, we had a small issue. We had to do it shorter, but well,
it works.
If it works, it works. If it works, it works. The engine has been successfully mounted. We found a way to hook up the throttle. And the engine, we decided not to mount this bit here because
fuck it.
Who cares? Hello! Currently we're trying to hook up the actual throttle to this. We've put a screw in here to, oh, that screw is very loose. We need to figure out a way to tighten that. Yeah, currently we're hooking this up. I say we, but it's mostly him. And then we need to flip the wheel around, because if we had this mounted to the other side, the wheel would have gone in reverse, and we didn't want to, you know, do that. So we flip this wheel around. What, we just hook on the chain and it's done, right?
Yeah. I swear to God, if this works.
Please. Oh my, hold up.
But it doesn't return.
So we came up with the solution. We decided, fuck it, toss some string to it, and go ahead. It works. It works perfectly.
But I will do something, that way the return is a lot better and a lot stronger. I'm putting a rubber band on that shit.
Bruh. Rubber bands, duct tape, zip ties, they fix everything.
It returns a lot quicker now.
There we go. It's held together by fucking duct tape and string, bruh. This shit. It is nighttime now. Alright, so we're going to have to continue this on to tomorrow because we ran into some issues. Right in here, there needs to be a divider between, because the way we cut this is just, the way we cut this, it's going to go up against that. And it was fine before because we had a plastic thing, but we evened it out by sawing it off, and that didn't work because it'll be at an uneven angle. Flat, not flat. So, we are going to continue this tomorrow. We're going to sawzall this off right here, and hopefully this hole right here is tight enough to hold on to that without being too loose. So it'll act as a separator and hold it up off of the main bit.
Engine.
Yeah, the engine. Once we get that, we can remount it, which shouldn't take long. Put the chain on, so the only issue will be prying this off, because we can't drill out the screw. The drill's not good enough for that. So I say it'd probably take an hour on average, like honestly. What do you think?
Something like that.
All right. Fixing the issue of it not being, you know, touching the bottom, whatever. We tested it and it was wobbly, but it worked. So we just decided, fuck it. You know, it's janky enough. Let's make it jankier, you know? Alright, so the way this thing is stuck on here, we couldn't exactly get the mounting bits. So we're just gonna ratchet strap it on. Ratchet strap on, yeah. Alright, so here it is all rigged up.
Ow.
I think 0% of that was supposed to happen.
I was violent. Yeah.
It's because we couldn't get this bolt out, so we just decided, hey, leave it on. Oh, I see what, there's string wrapped up in there. Oh. No, look. That's the pull start, isn't it?
Oh shit, we broke it.